guys! Welcome to my scrappiness! Hey guys, it's Marissa. I hope everyone is doing well and I hope everyone is staying safe. And we have here our items from the April 2020 mini kit Monday, and I am on my fourth layout. So these are the pictures that I'm planning to scrapbook. This is my family, and this is from my selfie printer yet again. And also we were peach picking. So I took this picture of a peach that's still on the tree, and I later picked it up. So here are the items that I think we are going to use for this layout. I may or may not use all of them depending on how this layout's gonna turn. I have it in my head, but as you know me, I have it in my head, but it sometimes takes different directions as I work on it. In the meantime, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, but this is a Dear Lizzie sticker sheet. I already used it from the previous layout, and this is from Tuesday morning. There's a SKU and the price, and then I'm also using this. Again, this is also from Tuesday morning. This is from Heidi Swap. Tuesday morning again, there's a SKU and the price. Then I am going to use some of the items here from Close to My Heart Compliments. It says Happy Moments. Anyway, I'm hoping to use this. I'm also going to use this piece of scrap paper. We've already used this from the previous layout too. And then finally, not finally, but we also have the Bundle of Joy. This is a sticker sheet from Echo Park. I also am planning to use this paper, which I already pretty much cut up. I did fussy cutting, and I also inked, and here they are. I took this 2 peaches. I'm going to use this as my embellishment. I inked them because I wanted to hide the white core of the paper. And I'm going to use this paper here as the matting and this paper here as the base. Let's start playing with this. I'm going to take out the branding strip of our base in the meantime. There you go. And then I'm also going to cut off this paper here into, this is 5 inches tall. I'm going to cut it into a square. So I'm going to cut it to 5 inches by 5 inches. There you go. And then I'm going to try and cut this into a triangle. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to put this point to point on this, my cutter, point to point, and hopefully there you go. Then what I am going to do too is I'm going to take my photos here, put this on the side for now, and I'm planning to map these photos here, this too, right here. So I'm thinking of cutting this off so what I want to do is show these flowers here. So what I'm going to do is cut a sliver here, and then I'm just looking at the flowers here and then cut off on the middle right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna cut it. It's not gonna be measured. It's just I'm trying to get the pattern of the paper. And then on this side I counted 5 rows. From here I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see if this works, and hopefully that's in the center. Try to make sure that's in the center, and let's see how it works. I'm gonna cut a little bit of sliver here on top because this is a little taller than this is here at the bottom. So maybe just a little sliver. So I'm just playing with the pattern of the paper here, guys. Let's take our pattern paper here and let's see how this will lay out. So I'm going to lay the this one first, the center paper But let me see how this will lay out real quick. Okay, right there. So basically, again, I'm going to play with the pattern of the paper and see where it lands. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is how I play with my patterns, guys. I just wanted to make sure that it's straight up and down. So that's good. I'm going to put this on the side and then lay this down. Okay, right there. And then I'm going to put this triangle up here. Putting on the picture here. Putting about 1/8 of an inch on this left side. Again, guys, the selfie printer or the selfie printer doesn't really print a full 6x4. Normally it's got a little bit of about a little over 1/8 of an inch that's cut off on the sides for the papers. Okay, there you go. And then let's put a little bit more embellishments here. I want to use some of this and put this down here for my family. And then I was thinking of putting Peach over here or family over there. Let me put this down first. Go. And then let's put the word family on this side. Oh no, it's not gonna show. It's blending. Okay guys, change of plan. Looks like this will prevail. Sorry guys, this is blending. I should have thought about that. Okay, so I'm going to put this over here, and you know what guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and pop it up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and commit this over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this down here too. Okay guys, let's spell family over here. There's a couple of stickers here that I want to use. This one says family time. And then There's one that says weekend because this was a weekend, so I want to put that over here on this side. Okay, I'm gonna stop there before I fill this up with more stickers and embellishments. So I get dangerous that way, guys. Guys, here's our fourth layout for the mini kit Monday. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It's very simple. Just took some printouts or cutouts from a paper and then just added a few stickers, and we have our layout here. That's it for now, guys. I do appreciate you watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And to my new subscribers, much mahalo, you guys. I appreciate you. That's it for now. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you. Bye.